Hello. So this is my multimeter quiz lab. So here we have the two batteries in parallel and then the two bulbs in sequence. And you can see that here that connected both the two wires coming from the batteries into one side of the bulb and have one wire going from one side of the bulb into the other bulb, and then from just the bulb have the two positive wires going into the battery, the positive. So that would make this be in parallel and these be two in series. So from here we can see that if I have this bulb disconnected, that will cut off the circuit, because since this is in series, I take off the bulb and it cuts the circuit because it's in series. But if I connect it, if I connect the bulb back in here, then you see that the circuit is completed, and that's why you get the light to turn on the bulbs. So I'm gonna check the voltage on one of these bulbs. So I'm gonna get my multimeter here. I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna set it to a range of about 2 volts. Since these batteries only give 1.5 volts each, you won't really be needing that much range. So I put one here, one here, there. Leave that together, and you can see there the voltage. I take them off, and it goes to 0 because there's no longer any voltage. So now I will be measuring the amperage of this little system. So I'm going to be measuring just from one battery to one bulb. So I'm going to be measuring the amperage between the one battery and the one bulb. So to do this, we need to connect the multimeter in series. So I'm going to put my negative to the bulb, my positive directly to the battery, so that way it will be in series and we'll get the reading of it. Sorry, it's kind of hard to, I don't really have a good connection for this. So there we see the amperage of the circuit, and that is in amps, but if we convert it to milliamps, it's around 226, 7 around there. Yeah. Finally, I will be demonstrating how to measure the resistance of the bulb. So here we just set our multimeter to be on voltage, ohm. You have the symbol omega here, which means ohm resistance. So we have it set just to 200, since this bulb doesn't really have that much resistance. We have it here at a range of 200. So here we just touch the one end of the bulb with the other end of the bulb with the multimeter, and then it'll measure the resistance. So you can see it kind of being around 1.5 ohms, around there. So the actual resistance of the bulb is around 1.5 ohms.